number 1. Matilda Matadi Helen Kaswa. Why no woboni kwadu Nana Kwame Kidi Takwa Enatina Dixon ono so takwa ko ono so Kaswa.
Order in court.
Mami ete say
Pacho ye.
What did you say?
19.
Asembe na do nam.
Pacho ye mi auntie no. Or more treating me of you.
Mami. So we na wo fede a. Obi am for so.
There be me ferry.
Na wo bi wa no akasa. Eye den na wo anti more treat you. Eye den.
Last month no on me tree and shadan ye. Last month.
Ado ye we.
There be Inkra. Last month, my auntie wasn't in the house, and then my other auntie too was not in the house.
Ma wone so. Yay. Louder.
My auntie wasn't in the house, and my auntie.
And now one kasa o mami we.
Mami we wu.
O mami ewu.
Patrai.
Ye be mu. Ache.
Patrai.
Eti wo wanti no call nchen ye di sen.
That time me
akola.
Patrai.
And obete wo do call kaswa.
Patrai.
Now no mami na mote he.
Yeti kaswa.
E ho na o mami so te.
Patrai.
Mo ye dodo sen o mami ma no. You have a sibling. 6.
Patrai.
What also saying?
Firstborn.
And
I mean you back who Ghana, but 4 more abroad.
Crew beso. About country beso.
US. Back who of 2 of Philadelphia and 2 of Minnesota.
America.
Patrai.
One kasa o mami ma.
Patrai.
Eti America.
Patrai.
Philadelphia.
Patrai.
Any Minnesota.
Patrai.
And ye ja wote kaswa. Wo anti ho.
Patrai.
Why?
There be time na all call ye. That time me swa. That time me 4 years.
Unu ya no call na usha.
When my mom was leaving, she left me and my brother. I was
with your auntie.
Yes, I was 4 years and my brother was 3 years. So when she went to America and she gave birth to 4.
So America ni bi.
Patrai.
With your dad.
I don't know where my dad is. I don't have dad. With my grandmother.
Okay.
So they went to America and she gave birth to 4. So when she gave birth to 4, the last born before she died 2020. That I was in Form 1.
Your sister or your brother?
My sister, my younger sister.
Okay.
Yes, please. So last month, my auntie wasn't around and my other auntie wasn't around. It was left with me and my siblings plus my baby. So you
have a baby?
Yes, please. So I told my sister that I'm going to throw Pampers away.
You want to throw
the Pampers?
Okay.
Because sometimes the landlord normally come to the house to come and check something, and when they see the Pampers, they'll start putting the blame on me.
On you.
So I took the Pampers and I told my sister that I'm going to throw Pampers away. And my auntie's children, they said they want to follow me, and I said okay, you guys.
Why are they want to follow you?
Yeah, I don't know. And I said okay. So when I'm going, then
are you a stubborn child?
Me.
Are you a stubborn?
Yes, please.
Oh.
But not really stubborn.
Just a word you would saw your collaboni.
Hey. So
why wouldn't you say you are stubborn?
So when we were going, then I met my auntie on motor, and she asked me, where am I going to? Then I told her that I'm going to throw Pampers away. And she said with the children, and I said okay, yes, with the children. So when we were going, and my 2 siblings, they said they want to drink water. I wasn't having any money to give them, so I went and asked one of my friends if she's having 5 cedis for me to buy water for the 2 of them. When she gave them the money, and I bought water too for them, so it was left with 4 cedis. So we were going, and one of them said, "Oh, Helen, please, we won't drink juice." And I said, "Oh, this one that I have is not enough. So when we go and throw the Pampers away, maybe they'll give us the price for like 3 cedis of us, because I don't know the price of it." And they said, "Okay." So I promised that when I go and throw the Pampers away, I'll buy them drink. So when we went and throw the Pampers away.
Wait, where's the father of your child?
Please, it's in Takwa.
You are the father is in Takwa.
Yes, please. So,
continue.
So when we were going to, I went to the Zoom line to go and throw the rubbish away. One went and threw the rubbish away, and the man said the rubbish is 3 cedis, 50 pesos.
Hey, and can I so go to ball go and see a Jim Scassa?
So, so when I paid, the money was left with 50%, and the money I can't buy drink for the 2 of them. So I said, let's go to my friend's place so that I can go and collect.
Sister, I want our friend. What's it that, Mammy? Tell her sister Betrancy. I made an instant knock coming with your personal check. Betrancy. I would obey your fruit, so one our friend. Kevin, more also 1% in Baba. Obapa, I didn't see.
My lady, Martin day. I prefer you to way. One young bush.
I summon or can and crest or thin and wabruching.
Mpotchen you. One young bush. Neither you want see area. Son any fenya, muso, me fin. Now would the senor bitter. More could do when you pay behind if you know. No crack. Now, I prefer your one you went there. When you sing, be a sabro from the crack of father, Barney, I can say. No, don't be a spectator, said dear baby. Ebini, Cassay. You're one young with double friend. Young one there, or you sing. It's a year saying, no, boom, my boom there, I dare, Cochocucha, market it down. Until your baby said, no, there. A yan answer not said in chan. On a wild product done. Or bow insane, no cost 70, my lady. And with there, ye honor one, ye pass some so you should ask some. Or billion to be yin him. It's your one and when the was able free wow. Now, women went to wow, yen a CS. Jack Nacopanadum, or near Bessia, or war back hammer. I feel your one our fur, our wow and a patcha. Bond our funny kitten, in on yen streets. Near a yellow one on our front. Baby son, us now to our pomona, our funny fee. Or bandana, not Tennessee. Being on your honorable fair win, I will film quite a shad on Fanambra. No, you know, man who bear macron. What's the day when who be no more you beginning no norma. No, what Frebbing in was a son of Roba. My many yawn. And tie young woman so or more a number of being so broke when you now one norma. It's in a wassa in Cadibue. It's a few more woman a day. I will free so be your pampeso. Obey him maybe years beyond what Paman. Ellen, where did you meet that guy who impregnated you? Takwa. Now, what do you call here then? At Takwa, at your age. That's it, why, man? My lady Martin a day. I will fail to a local school, Ghana, Accra, yes. About you to any Mazankasa. We are singing. Ye, mammy, woo. No, Bushas, oh. Nanny, I don't know what will change the Accra name, no money. What saying that will fail no to one number. Mammy, wait your phone if you need some. In a number, watch your book and watch your book and so I shall. It is so many access be. Yes, so by your dinner, able to be keep falling on is a winning trip. Mammy, or say a crown on any day, on 2 minutes nana. On any young and I enter us and cheer day. The ban away. Our friend was has they know a mufan near her. Nagana form why. Hey, Atia, or 12 famupebia would ye. Far cradibra. Tenna. Abra pastor called friend. Ye, we are city. A jacolani ya, quite be on any new animal Becassa. Near friend is saying Liliana. Umpe, you who are named her from man. Liliana Lily. Meow, mamma, what's it? Oh, baby. Sister, my lady, and a great crown on ordinary. Do obey you, my lady. What is the beginning what a lot sharp of free ya? na mo hye na maami anu kwasam ni ba tan mi na mi aho
ti se dia na mo pese ye boa mo
my lady mo se ye pede ye ba han mo titi ye ba han de abofo ne so le tenant ni nchen bi
no betena he
na si se o pede wo boa
na ni nuanom yi me be mana transe na what yema frɛ ni nuanom so mpa de ye kwa chiri abrochiri fo hye na ebra ho si ni nuanom du tu kwa na o 4 years o mbe hu no ade jai ye urade na boy no ne wo ye no waka kire ne se wawo no send uska why na fun kra wo kra bi waje adenti no waje obi foforo moko hia sole narrow way I want you to call your brothers. Are they going to recognize you? Do mo abrochire no wo mo nyini ono ye pani no mo nketo ano no omo de omo koye de ho omo maame ne ko wu wo mo ho tu maame no wu wo ho ana obewu wo Ghana America ho tu omo de ne ba ya no mo sie no ho ni video Google
owo we kind of Facebook e go go be sisia
ya Google ebe hu edi bonja my Harriet Matadi
mpoche
ewo Google mon Google my Facebook kure wo aya sa akra se bia na maame no faale no enso hwan ne bedi akire etu nuanom no mo abrochiro mo ne wan ne wo wo grandma so abrochire ho na wo grandma ne so nim ne number na dia ne auntie wo ye
mami chirem na won
kasa won to me ka wa
my lady motin de mami biti ye ho toto Simon
shitolu
no so ototo Simon de ko igwado koton na mami no opam abofre dem no so ye batan ne yem hyehye
ola wa kwa akra girls
no oji abofre e ko hye ne nchen aba de 1 week mami no ko edwuma bi oba abofre 30 cedis o de bi to pampers no de bi ato sala ka ma abofre na mami ne bo hu ni de abofre no wo ifie ho nti into kwadi da meda na nya asam ketua
sa de no maje no
de what bad nti wa agya bofo ya ate ne hwe ho no na meda maame no ho wasa bula wodi gwale nti wa adwen na la podam nya ntokwa ketua wo ko papa nti oba ne damen ama ewe wo fin no obi ala pedo oyi ne nsa
obi am peso oba ko maame ne na
be ko nya ntokwa ite no kwasam ni obi ala ntumi nyine
Kevin mutumi ni to be hwe Kevin mutumi ni emehwe ne maame ne da so ada no o twa nwoma na say the address
o pictures bebre wo so
ai it is a say sister 1% ke here dey
my lady ba ye ban na e dey abofra no se dey olo tenant ni nchen bi na momo sofo bi wa ye nchen ho na ye no kwasem ni we su papa de opedo oja abofra na naba na motin de so kwama me nanyim pada ma me no le ntaase na ofa abofra man nti ye adwede ye baba na ye za abada
na yen ya ye den
na motu ma ka ho asem de sa abofra yi won temfi na lankasa na anu de obetse na ntene nchen biom ana de o tin wo biom
yo Helen Betranse na emusa wasem Ellen, we want to ask you if you want to stay with your auntie or not. We want to ask you Do you still want to stay with your auntie?
Yes, no.
Person betra obi. Na hina person otra bie wa no bra. Etimi akoda akodi koteke kwatente. Akola ukwa kra girls. Wutumi free headru takwa. Ghana for my work kwatidie hu entrekese. Yo omo ya de ha na libo. Kwe. Ye be fa tire. Akwaba. Na hina person otna. Where do you want to stay?
Please, they were saying that there is a pastor who want to take us.
So you want to go and live with the pastor?
Yes, please.
Now, mama, no auntie, no any inquiry commotion.
Pacha debi. Onu.
Okay.
Onu kra opese minko.
Who auntie ni pesa uko?
Minko.
Okay, yo. Any Ghana ha ye nyina ya dance for. A good young thread, ya man, funny man in Amayaso. Then. Baby. Who mamma and animal we are seeing said. What it is, Swasha Black said,
so when you
I want it once, and you can wash a black shirt.
The shirt little small.
One shirt a cacra black show. Talk show Abana. Momo Bimlana. Ghana for ya Pemo. Menane, Eliana, Nyameche, Dromo, and Cradi. Namay Kojemo, Moya Kojemo man.
Pacha debi.
Manya Kojemo.
Pacha debi.
Yeah. If you have a blessing. Sorry, Ellen, Solitina. Momoya nio, Mummy Sika. Me and Fama Monko, I couldn't go hard. Why? Nani mammy a wedge on any auntie on any take a swat. Wapamano, and what Diana, and away at Wami Heyo. Momo, also the Eliana. Na me so mama ni nyame be kire akwose nyame be kire why the why piwak
Mommy
Elizabeth Ephraim was sending akodai 1,000 me so me money 1,000 ye pe 10,000 amani sesia na ye de bia ko ha dan amano eti yesra why mo fa number bi nto so mayen me mama ni 1,000 Elizabeth Ephraim. But now say, Ellen, I want you to plead. Why? Kasa. Tell them that you need help, so.
Those who are watching on SOMPA FM, I really appreciate everybody. I really appreciate everybody for what they have done for me and my child. If it's not because of them, I will not know what to do.
Oh.
And I really appreciate my auntie who brought me here and who have helped me since I was sacked by my auntie. I really appreciate her because she has been helping me, giving me food to eat, giving the child food, clothes and stuff and shelter. Even yesterday, the child didn't bath, but she was the one that bathed the child. I really thank her, and I thank the whole area that God should bless them wherever they are. God should really, really bless them. It's not easy for you to leave your mother and stay with someone who is maltreating. It's not easy at all. Right now, as I'm standing here, Crampo, I don't even know what to even say. But I'm just saying, God should please bless you guys and give you guys more. Thank you very much.
Ebusia for the year kanyina ni say ye pem wa ma ye bayi ene ye nana ketoi ontumi fa kra ne nama bonten sa ne maame awu se ne maame akowu America ne maame na awu kra gya ne nuanom wo ho access so obenya ne maame ne kra number
SOMPA FM
ne anti age e number titim na Accra girls no wie
Pacha debi
ada na ujaye udu form say
form to na me kwatakwa last na me
for udu form to na udi na fufu echi kwatakwa ya wo ba de baby nyinse ba yi
Pacha last
yeah wo mami wu ana wasemasa akwada okwa Accra girls form 2 ya timi ha mo treating wa ma na frifia du takwa so okoya garam so wo ba wo de nyinse aba bewo oba wo ya yese ya ma dantenam ene ama baabi adawo ne oba ene wode ne bayi ne nam ayi ka so abonten so ene yede ne aduru ha yo Mumu aye doctor esi ejiriba. Doctor, me pa chewo, maame na me frɛ we. Me sedawo. Ebie ma ba. Doctor esi. Ye me too many awa wani me beto. Elizabeth Ephraim nyame nhyira wo watse. O nyame nhyira wo. Doctor esi, doctor esi. Doctor esi. Aha. Doctor esi ejiriba. PSA abaya ntokwani bi aba o se wo hwe SOMPA TV abomoden a beboa yen akoda bia ne maame ewu agya no na woni na ntete ka so a kola no akọwo ne anti na pam no me de bebi no peche ni frika so aba ha ye pe bebi amakora na tsena ye pe 10,000 ama na kọ mama ne 1,000 obi nso ama ne 1,000 ti da doctor esi se wutie mi a momwa yen number no na da so no 0541 126 626 0541 126 126 626 Dr. Esi wo de ya send me ya me ha na amansan obi apesa obu bia momo aye ansa na wo makoka so a na ya werɛ wo sem oba ya